That she never understood, and let dust fly away the way she wished she could. The way she wished she could. Luna face that no one sees, this phase won't last undiscovered. So you are unbelieved. The silence isn't all that golden. You heard a whisper in the noise, words for last, less for speech. No, you were never just a boy. She will burn down all of the fences in your neighborhood, and the bridges to your secrets, and the places where you stood, and the scattering of past lost embers singed with hate, floating around in the jokes that you made. She could search through the ashes that she never understood, and let dust fly away the way she wished she. Sun is around. Solace so Tanyard an Krishalon Tame Fivla Tanyard an Tanyard an Tanyard an Shalom.